Long Bay Beach, 15 miles east of Port Antonio, is where our journey takes us today. It's an early, overcast Sunday morning, and the beach is empty. Not many people use this beach. One reason could be the sea is always rough. Can't remember coming here and it's been anyway different. The water is turquoise and warm for this time of the morning, with beautiful white sun. Here, like most of the beaches around the island, there's a problem with the seagrass. It's forever drifting ashore. Spend hours today raking in. Come tomorrow, same story. Grass and more grass, especially after some stormy weather lasting a few days. There's a few villas and some bed and breakfast accommodation overlooking the Long Bay Beach. The sunrise is beautiful here if you're an early riser. There's some awesome looking jagged edge cliff located at either end of the beach, and they're quite lovely. There's a problem with the rising sea levels, and it has caused many businesses to relocate from here on the beach. And they've also had a period of frequent hurricane to make matters worse. And yes, we are in love with the eastern end of the island. We have fond memories of time spent here.